Algebra, week 33, day 2. We are going to grade 4.2, 12 through 35. Okay, number 12. A is yes, B is no. 13. A is no, B is yes. 14. A is yes, B is no. 15, no. 16, yes. 17, yes. 18, no. 19, no. 20, no. 21, -1. Oh. Now, if you have other ones, but you have to have at least one of these, okay? 8, 0, -5, and 1, -2. Okay? 22. Okay. -1, 11, 0, 7, 1, 3. 23. -1, -4, 0, -6, 1, -8. 24. 2, -1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Okay, 24. Now, like I said, if you had at least one or two of those, I'll count it right. Okay, 25. 25. 1/2, -1. And if you have 0.5, that works too. 1/2, 0, 1/2, 1. Okay, 26. -1, -6, 0, -6, 1, -6. 27. -1, 3, 0, 2, 1, 1. Okay, 28. -1, -21. 0, -3, 1, 15. Okay, 29. -1, -6, 0, -4, 1, -2. Okay, that's 29. Okay, 30. Y equals 3x plus 12. 31. Y equals -2/3 x plus 2. 32. Y equals -1/4 x plus 12. 33. Y equals -x plus 19/5. 34. Y equals -1/5 x plus 2/5. Okay, and then 35. Y equals -x minus 5. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Out of 45. So what you got out of 45? Then we're moving on. Take a picture of it, hand it in. Yesterday's. Okay. Oh man, I just drew my hand. 4.3, page 218. That's where we're at. So you're finding x and y intercepts. So we have x-intercept and y-intercept. Y is where it crosses on the y, and x is where it crosses on the x. Got it? Okay, to find the x-intercept, they have 2x plus 3y equals 6. And they said let y equal 0. So they said put 0 in here. So you have 3 times 0, 2x plus 3y equals 6. So you're solving for x. So 3 times 0 is 0. So now I have 2x equals 6, right? Divide by 2, divide by 2, x equals 3. So that means that this ordered pair, this is for the x-intercept, or for the y-intercept, it will be 3, 0, right? And so when you graph that, you're going to go over 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the x-intercept. Okay? Okay. So you have to put 0 in for y if you want the x-intercept. If you want the y-intercept, okay, you have to put 0 in for x. So they're going to give you the same thing, 2x plus 3y equals 6. And they said put x equals 0. So then they substituted 0 in here. So this will be 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 6. Now I'm solving for y. So this is 0 plus 3y equals 6. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Y equals 2. So then that one will go 1, 2. So it's pretty easy. So this equation is 0, 2, right? And 3, 0 from what we got before the last problem. Okay? Okay. So it says graph the equation. So there's 2 ways to do it. You solve for y, but this is the easiest way, is just substitute in the x's. So 3.5x plus 7y equals 14. So we know that if we solve for y, we can graph it, but this is 3.5. So let's substitute 0 here for that y-intercept. So 3.5 plus 7, y equals 14. So I'm substituting in this will give me the y-intercept, right? So x is 0 on this one. Okay, so that cancels that out. So you divide by 7, y equals 2. Okay, so this is the y-intercept. Okay, next one, 3.5x plus 7, substitute in 0 equals 14. So now this one, we put 0 in for y, and we're going to figure out what the 3 is. Or what the x is. Okay, so that's 0. So now I have 3.5x equals 14. Well, you divide by 3.5 and divide by 3.5. Well, I know a secret. This equals 4. Okay, so this is going to be 4. So then you can graph this really quick. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this says over 4, right? At 0, that's that one. And then this goes 1, 2, at 0. Done. Well, there we go. Okay, done. That's all you gotta do. Okay? Okay, so without solving for y, you could figure it out by finding the x and the y. Woo! You guys fell over. Okay, sorry. Okay, you guys fell over. Okay, so that's finding x and y and graphing quick off that. Then we know the other one where you solve for y equals 4x plus 40, right? So where does it start? It starts way up here at 40. And this is 4 over 1, right? So you're going to go up 4 over 1, right? And you're going to go down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1, right? And then it says the way you can find out where it hits down here is substitute in 0 for the y. Then we can figure out where it's going to hit down here. So, so I have 0 equals 4x plus 40, right? And I have to solve for x. So minus 40, negative 40 equals 4x, divide by 4, divide by 4. This will be negative 10, right? So this will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way back to negative 10. And there's my line. Okay? Okay. So that's basically what we're doing today. We're finding the x and the y intercept by substituting in 0. Okay, so you are doing lesson 4.3, 14, through 34. Finding x and y intercepts. Okay? That's what you're doing today. See you tomorrow.